Okay, now is the third next draw is the Wednesday 14/5/25 4D Sunday to Wednesday. How to guessing the number? You see the box la. Now guessing number. You see the my box 718558731 and the other side 26828025555209. This is my box total box number. Yesterday before Saturday number winning number is 0050. You see 0050 and 0050. Two sides also same. And next you see before the Wednesday 2902 2092 the first price. Now the two also same my box there. Now the Wednesday also same thing. You see before the Sunday one 1094 and 9401. This is the Sunday one result. Now all the result is this box. Now this week in the Wednesday guessing 14/5/25 the Wednesday result is, you see the box. You see this is for my calculation of the Sunday one result. This one is the Sunday one result. You see 01994, right? I just now saw the upside box. This is all my guessing number and my calculation. This calculation I can show, but many things this one use the 10 method for mathematics. 10 mathematics after come the same the serial number. This is for I take the example and use the guessing guessing the number. Now you see 29 and below also 29. If these two also are same thing, after you see number 3 don't have. Now 39 is the here. You see 39 and 39 and 39. You see all the way have the 39, right? Before is the number. You see now 33 and 93. You see 3393 and 3393 same thing. You see 3393 and 3933. I give a 2 also. You see, you can see the my box can understand. I think you all can understand. Now is the number 3933. You see, I give maybe in case the Singapore policy maybe change over in Lidela. But now is the 36. You know, right? 39 and the 36 coming to 36 and upside also have. See 36. If 36 and see 3 bucks also 36. You see 36 also have 36 and 44. You see upside the 44 36 and the 44 are 36 and 44 have 36 and 4 same thing. Yeah, see 36 44. You see 36 63 and 44 la. This is my guessing the second number. Next the 4436 because the number is the changeover. This is for my guessing. 100% sure I think maybe number 1 or number 2 or number 3. If cannot, the shatter the number. If change mean maybe 1 number or 2 number. I think you all also can guessing la. I think you all better my than better you all brain. My brain I think I guessing before I catch this like this. I before guessing like same like and I guessing the number I get the number 2. You all can see.